Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be pouring on YUPO paper, which is a synthetic waterproof artist paper. I bought a large sheet at my art supply store and then I cut out little 4-inch squares, which is perfect to fit in this picture frame that I textured and painted white. So let's get started. The YUPO paper actually feels like plastic, so it is waterproof, which is perfect for acrylic pouring. Here we go. So here's a close-up. I think this one is my favorite. So these I will be placing in these frames that I gave a facelift. I'll post a picture of what they looked like at the end of this video so you can compare the before and the after. As always, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.